So next we're going to talk about substitution. Okay, so substitution is when we replace a variable in an equation with its value. Okay, so the value has to be known. Now this can happen because the question tells us the value, so it might say that x equals 7, or it could be that it's a multi-step question and we've already figured out what the value is. So once we figure out what x is, we can then put x into the equation, and that will help us to figure out the next step. So, writing in the wrong spot. So, for example, think about this. So, solve x plus 12. So there's an expression, x plus 12, when x equals 8. Okay, so this one's fairly straightforward. You can probably even do it in your head. But if we do need to do working, all right, we know that x equals 8. It tells us that x equals 8 right here. So I'm going to replace x with 8. So instead of x plus 12, we get 8 plus 12. And of course, we all know that that equals 20. So our answer then is 20. Let's try something that goes a little bit harder. So for example 2, we're going to do solve 2t plus 9 when t equals 3.5. All right, so 3.5. So yet again, we know that t is 3.5, so we're going to put t in here. The thing to remember, 2t means 2 times t, okay? So when we put it in, it's not going to become 23.5. It's going to become 2 times 3.5 plus 9, okay? So if we do that using order of operations, 2 times 3 is going to become 7, plus 9 means that our answer is 16.